Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Original. Now I will give you tutorial how to switch exchange rate on get.io for your Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And now let's start it. First, we go to the get.io application that you have been to install it before. Click on the get.io here. And after that, you can click the symbol in the upper of the left corner. Click on. Okay, go to the settings and see about the exchange rate switch. You can click it. Okay, there is have so many about the exchange rate. First the Europe, the second one Hong Kong dollar, the third one Korean won, and the fourth the Japanese yen, and blah blah blah. Okay, I want to change it or switch it for the US dollar. Click on the US dollar, USD here, and now my exchange rate is switched for the US dollar. Okay, go to fix it and go to see this is already or work or not. Click on the symbol in the upper of the left corner and go to the settings. You can see the exchange rate switch for the US dollar. Okay, this is a tutorial how to switch exchange rate on get.io for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.